Which database is right for you? In today's times, it seems like we're selecting a database due to the popularity ratings or the latest industry buzzwords. Trending technology may or may not be the best decision for your database selection. In the 1970s, we were gifted with the power of relational database management systems, RDBMSs, giving us the gift of today: Oracle, SQL Server, PostgreSQL. This was all made possible due to research from Frank Codd, an IBM employee that later sparked the theories within the System R research paper. The System R research paper can still be found if you do a quick Google search. It's worth a good read. But when considering your database choice, it's important to understand a few basic elements that will support your business requirement. What type of data structures you may need, your data size, data usage, data retention, data security. What type of regulations do you need? Your compliance regulations, history of that data, right? What type of workloads are you really going to be putting on this database? Right? What's going in and out? What type of data is going in and out of the database? Those are things you really have to consider. Now, selecting a database that can be compared to your next automobile purchase. If you have a family of 8, you probably would not purchase an automobile with only 2 seats. Right? I know the convertible would be nice, but it wouldn't be a wise decision. You might need to think about an SUV, something with that third row seat, reclining seats. What type of rear storage do you have? There may be some use cases where you need a one-dimensional specialty database for your application. Yet, if you're a forward thinker and wish to make a selection that will take you into the future as your business evolves, you might seek a flexible option. One of the gifts from the original RDBMS history presented us with is perhaps one of the most flexible database selections you can make: the PostgreSQL database. It gives you the flexible options that combine a NoSQL workload, your relational query power, JSON data types, auditing. These are the things that you need, that flexibility. The development flexibility that it offers with Postgres allows you to run on-prem or cloud agnostic, right? You can run practically on anybody's cloud, private, public, running on bare metal. Taking control of your storage sizes, your data retention levels, keeping your data where it needs to be, understanding that sovereignty of your data, having control over your environment. So I say today, which database is right for you?